calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you're new, I'm Stephanie. Welcome to my channel. We recently finished a huge kitchen renovation. I'll share a quick before and after video. I have a full 10-part series of the renovation on my channel homepage in case you missed it. After the renovation was finished, I was so excited to get everything back in the kitchen. It took a few weeks to kind of find a place for everything, but once everything was in its place, I was able to take an inventory of what organizers we needed. I did a pantry makeover and organization video for our last house, so I have a bunch of organizers already that I used for that video, but this pantry and this kitchen in general is a downsize from our last house, so we definitely had to get creative with some storage solutions. In this video, I'm going to go through and get everything organized, share some sustainable and healthy living tips, and just kind of take you through the whole kitchen. I have a blog post linked below with all of the links to the organizers that you'll see in this video, so if you see something you like, check out that blog post. Thanks again for following along. Let's jump right in. I'm really excited about all these glass storage containers. I've been trying to phase out all our old plastic food containers. If your plastic containers are stained, cracked, or scratched, or they smell, that's definitely a sign that you need to get rid of them. Try repurposing them for non-food storage, or if you want to get rid of them completely, make sure to recycle. Our round Pyrex containers are from Crate & Barrel, and the square containers are from Amazon. We use these all the time. They're a great investment, I think. We have a bunch of these glass jars. Devin likes to use these to store overnight oats. I got these glass dispensers from Target. I buy hand soap and dish soap in bulk and then refill these glass dispensers. This cute mug tree is from Target, perfect for organizing our small espresso glasses. I need to organize those utensil drawers. I found some bamboo storage boxes and a bamboo utensil organizer from Amazon. The other one we had, it was a little too big for our drawer. This utensil cup is from Target, perfect for storing the utensils that we use more frequently. If you have a cabinet with adjustable shelves, think about having a narrow shelf on top for flat pans or cutting boards so you don't have to bend down to grab them. Before we get any further, I'd like to take a quick minute to thank the sponsor of today's video, AQUOR. I'm installing the AQUOR House Hydrant V1 Plus. It's a beautiful, durable, low-profile water outlet for your home. With this, you don't have to worry about leaks or drips, and you don't have to deal with the hassle of threading on your garden hose. It's a marine-grade stainless steel valve that lets you access water instantly anytime you need it. Just plug in the hose connector and water turns on automatically. I'm installing this through our concrete wall, so I got the 8-inch length. They have different sizes depending on the depth of your wall. They also have different finishes for the cover. I went with brushed stainless. I'm also using their comfort grip connector and 25-foot ultralight garden hose. I love the sleek and minimalist appearance, and all it takes is a simple twist to engage the house hydrant. My husband is the one in charge of all the yard work, so he's pretty excited about this new setup. Thanks again, AQUOR. You can find the link to their website in the description below. I found these reusable grocery bags on Amazon so we can stop using plastic bags. They come in a pack of 3 and they surprisingly store a lot of food. They're nice and sturdy and easy to break down. I like to do all the food prepping and storing right after grocery shopping. I'll be honest, I never used to be one for food prepping or cooking, but with the proper storage containers, it's made the whole process easier and more fun. I'm more inclined to buy healthier foods because they will last longer, and I'm more inclined to eat healthier foods because they're already washed and stored and easy to grab. I love this fruit bowl. It's from Crate & Barrel. These berry colanders are also from Crate & Barrel. It's best to store lemons, limes, and ripe avocados in the fridge. I bought a pack of these plastic organizers to separate items in our fridge. For potatoes and onions, I store them in these baskets in the pantry. I'm cutting up some peppers and storing them in glass containers so they're easy to grab and go. For lettuce, I found that cutting, washing, and storing it in a salad spinner is the best way to keep your lettuce fresh for longer.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around, and nothing's ever lifting me higher than a touch of your sweet desire. What we're all built in right. We just have to hold on through the night, as long as we are watching the fire.
All of these organizers I found from Target, perfect for storing cereal, noodles, and oatmeal.
When you're falling, when the river is calling, I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Yeah, yeah. When things go.
These bins and Lazy Susan are from Amazon. They work great for organizing things in our pantry.
Seems like nothing comes for free, yeah. And it won't take love. Your fragile soul will soon be strong. I'll carry you so tenderly. What I wanna say is that
Above the fridge, I stored our sugar, flour, and baking goods in these large glass jars. You can find the link to all these organizers and miscellaneous kitchen supplies in the blog post below. Thanks again for watching, and good luck on getting organized.